everybody and welcome to another Let's Play video. And today we're playing Roblox. It's going to be, I've been playing this for a very long time, for years. Not a lot of years, but a few. And this time, not on the tablet, we're going to play it on the laptop or computer or whatever you have. We're going cat. Oh. Cat. If you can see there is knife ability test. Cat is a very fun game. I've been playing it for quite some time as well. I'm level 167 and I have 1,397 kills. And that was a nice fantic. I like using the gun, but I like them both. But I just like the gun more. I use it more. Because I have a shotgun on it. And I'm going to kill everyone in my sight. Triple kill. We both died. And I don't know who. Ooh. We spawned next to each other. And he killed me. That wasn't nice, Fantic. I don't know if I would be playing just this game in this video, but we'll see. Shut up. Whoever's ever playing that song. It's nice, but it's annoying. You can't hear it, but I can, and it's annoying. Can I? I don't know why. They do a button, but it doesn't even work. I killed him like a boss. Big Russian boss. For Mother Russia. I can always do webcam if I want, but for now I'm not. I just decided later on when I make more videos. I also make not just Roblox, even Minecraft videos and whatever you want. You choose in the description below. You choose in the comments below. And there's lots of games what I like for that. But there's lots of more games what I never saw or never played. The game didn't load yet. Yeah, that's good. Hacker guy. I don't think you're a hacker. I'm acting like I'm the hacker here. Fantic. No! The Mother Russia guy killed me. He doesn't even have hair. Gold. Hacker. Ah! Big Russian boss. 12 killed me. I hope. Why? He's getting his revenge. He's coming up from behind and shooting me. I got mugged. I literally got mugged by a hacker. Big Russian boss. But I'm going to call you a boy because you're a boy, not a boss. You're not very hard to kill, but you still getting my knife. And why did you come up from behind me and kill me? Why? Take that, Swiss talk. Okay, let me find some people. Instead of them, instead of me finding them, they found me and killed me from behind. There he is. What the? What the? What the? How did he not die? Yeehaw! Yeah, boy. Fan. Fan. Oh God. He came up from behind me and shot me. That sucks. Die! Die! I don't want anyone coming up from behind me. And he sniped me. Big Russian boss. I'm here to kill you. Oh, you spawned right next to me. What the? I don't know how. I really don't know how. I like this guy. He's big and muscly, and I like his face a lot. Ah! After this map, I play a different game. Or I finish the video. I'll see. We'll see. I'll see, I mean. Okay, okay. Let me find. Take the boy. That's my favorite map. It's the very first map it was made before the new maps came. Yeah. I'll go up here and I drag people up here. Money, 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 money. Oh, ambush! Shut, shut up. I don't know why I'm saying shut up. It's in the game and you can't even hear it. I hope they add the settings soon because the settings don't even work. Ah, my ears. In the future, I'll see if I do webcam or not. So I can do webcam, it's just I'm not doing it. For now. We'll see if I do it in the next video. It's just playing the when I said shut up and my ears hurt. Or my ears was because someone someone has a knife and when they kill someone it does the John Cena theme song or meme. Take that, Fantic or Swiss dog. Take that. Big Russian boy is next. Boss. I always say boy, not boss. Because he's a boy, not a boss. Ah. Rest in peace. Hiya! We both died at least. And it's the big Russian boy who has that stupid knife. It does that. It's annoying, if you know it. It's very annoying. Killed him. What did they let me shoot? Swiss talk. I just killed Swiss talk. Or talk. Tack. Talk. I don't know. Okay. Okay, where is this? And I got headshotted. Ugh. And I got his snore. And I died by his snore. Why did I say I ignored? Sliced by big Russian boss. Why? Why big Russian boss? Why? Oh, I'm going to end the video here because I want I want to. I'll see you all later, and I hope you have a nice day. And see you next time in the next video.